Yamaha YZ250-2025 specifications and features. The Yamaha YZ250 2025 is a legendary two-stroke dirt bike designed for motocross and off-road riding. Known for its lightweight frame, powerful engine, and refined suspension, it remains a favorite among riders. Engine and performance. Engine type: 249cc, liquid-cooled, two-stroke, reed valve inducted. Bore X-stroke: 66.4 mm x 72.0 mm. Compression ratio: 8.9:1. Fuel system: K&PWK38S carburetor. Ignition: CDI capacitor discharge ignition. Transmission: 5-speed manual. Chassis and suspension. Frame: lightweight aluminum frame. Front suspension: KYB speed sensitive system inverted fork, fully adjustable. Rear suspension: KYB single shock, fully adjustable. Front brake: hydraulic disc, 270 mm. Rear brake: hydraulic disc, 240 mm. Dimensions and weight. Seat height: 38.4 inches 975 mm. Wheelbase: 58.3 inches 1481 mm. Ground clearance: 14.2 inches 360 mm. Fuel capacity: 7.9 liters. Weight: approximately 103 kilograms dry weight. Additional features: updated graphics with Yamaha's signature blue color scheme. Ergonomic seat and bodywork for better control and comfort. Revised suspension settings for improved stability and handling. Lightweight chassis for agile performance. The YZ250 2025 continues Yamaha's legacy of producing high-performance two-stroke motocross bikes. It is designed for riders who demand power, precision, and durability on the track. Would you like details on pricing or availability?